How to add fonts in Canva. To show you this, I've prepared this little page here, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on one of my texts like this. And when I go to this top left corner here, you can see the font it's using. When I click on this menu will open. And here in the search bar, when I want to look for a different font, I can just type in a keyword like calligraphy, and it will show me fonts that are created in this style. I can also search for certain characteristics like open sans. But in this case, I want to use one of my own fonts. So I scroll down until I see brand fonts, and I want to click on this plus sign which says add your brand fonts in brand kit. Once you click on that, this window will open, and from here you want to go to fonts and you're going to click on add new, and here you're going to choose upload a font. And now you can choose any OTF or TTF file on your PC, and it will upload that font into Canva. Once you do this, it will show up here under brand fonts. And that's how you add fonts in Canva. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.